guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I'm so excited today. So Merrymade reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review on some of their vinyl. So I ordered 2 colors. I got black and yellow. And I'm so excited to do a project today. My niece and nephew know that this is coming and they want a t-shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some t-shirts today using this, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you my feedback. And this is actually iron-on reflective vinyl, HTV, so I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get started and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Okay, let's see. Very nice, big piece. Okay, let's go ahead and try the yellow. Let's see if there's some directions. Okay, let's check it out, you guys. See what it says. Love it. Okay, so great. It has at the bottom here, it'll tell you exactly what temperature you should use. I love that. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the images and we're gonna iron it on. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the images I'm going to print up in Cricut Design Space, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit Make It. And since this is HTV vinyl, which is iron-on, we have to mirror the image. Let's go ahead and do matte and continue on the matte. Okay, so let's go ahead and mirror the image. And I'm going to go down here and mirror it. Just go all the way down just so if we get going too fast, we don't forget anything and forget to mirror it. Okay, and we're going to hit continue. I'm going to go ahead and hit browse all material. We are going to do heat transfer, non-Cricut, and done. And I'm going to go ahead and load the mat. Okay, so we're going to do the black first. And this is the shiny side. So we're going to, and you can tell here that this is the back because it's more dull. We're going to go ahead and lay it on the mat. And we're going to need to tape it. Go ahead and tape it down. We're going to go ahead and load the mat, and we're going to press the flashing arrows. And now we're going to hit the play or the Cricut button. Okay, so now we're going to do the yellow and the shiny side down. In this case, this back is white. So we want to make sure we do that. I'm going to tape it. And then we'll go ahead and cut this as well. Okay, so it just came off of the Cricut. Let's go ahead and weed it. Get a little of this tape off. Okay. See how it weaves. Very nice. It's coming off very nicely. You can already see some of the reflective coloring. It's so cool. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it yet, but I have the light above me and it looks so cool. Let's go ahead and continue weeding it. So it comes off really nice. And let me go ahead, I'll finish and I will be right back, okay? And then we'll go started and put it on the shirt and check it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and kind of see where we're going to place it. So we're going to put it about right here. And I'm going to place this first. And we're going to use the heat resistant tape. Okay. And let's go ahead and I am going to use the Cricut Mini, and I'm going to do it just for a little bit because you're really not supposed to like go over this twice. I think I read that. So let's just do the bare minimum so we can go ahead and then apply the Batman on top. And I have this on the first setting, which is lower. Okay, so I used the Cricut Mini for about 25 seconds. And let's see if it's ready. Okay, take it off. And the directions say that you should go ahead and, I think it's going to do it a little bit more. Let's see. That you should peel it off before it cools down. Okay. Okay. And let's go ahead and apply the Batman. Okay. Just want to make sure it's on correctly. And when you apply it, you need to apply firm pressure. And let's go ahead and do this one. Okay, let's see if this is ready. Cool. Okay, and let's go ahead and do the other one. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do this one, and we're doing the layers again. And I need to place this underneath first. I want to make sure that we have it where we want it. Okay, so I'm just kind of positioning this underneath. We're going to apply some tape so it doesn't move. And I'm going to go ahead and do the yellow as well. Okay, so I have this down. We're going to go ahead and do this first. And I'm going to do about 15 seconds, and I'm going to apply firm pressure and just go around. Okay, so this is the final, what it looks like. I don't know if you can see how awesome it is, the reflective. It's so cool. Isn't that so cool? I love it. I love it. I wish I would have done yellow here, but if you see, it's so cool the way it reflects. You kind of get like a purplish little, you get little rainbows in there. So awesome. Okay, and same with this one. I love it. It's so cute. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. And if you don't already subscribe and you think this channel is for you, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And also, I will leave in descriptions Merrymade's link and all that information on where I got this reflective HTV vinyl. I think it was really easy to use, and I would definitely use it again, but I would want to get more colors. And it's just different, and I love it. So anyway, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.